everyone, I'm Belle here. I'm back here again with my Halloween video. I've been away for super long as I am so busy and a little bit sick as well recently, so I've not been uploading any video, but I will try to continue with my videos from now on. Yes, so today, as you can see, that what I have for you today is the Alice looking through the looking glass with the White Queen. Yes, I have for you today. This is the makeup look that I will do today. The entire makeup tutorial for White Queen, which is started by Hathaway. Yes, Anna Alice is the one that look like a very decent movie. Yes, it is not a really new character that is created, and I've not seen anybody create this White Queen look for quite some time, for many years. But I actually love her looks inside the movie much more than Alice look. Yes, I think 2 years ago I've done Alice look, and so today I've actually thought of doing the White Queen's look. Yes, and so because I actually like very fair complexion, and actually got this habit as well. So if you want to know how to create this look for your Halloween night, keep watching my video.
Together forever and ever, we don't have to worry about a thing, no. We can be the just like fire, burning up the way, rocking like the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anywhere. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. I kick that ceiling, what you gonna say? No one can be just like me anywhere. It's just like fire, fire. So look, I came here to run it, just cause nobody's done it. Y'all don't think I can run it, but look, I've been here, I've done it. Impossible, please, watch I do it with ease. You just gotta believe, come on with me. Just like fire, burning up the way. If I could light the world up for just one day, watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like fire.
I have finished with the base makeup for the White Queen, and it is definitely much fairer than my original complexion. Yes. I'm going to do this makeup for White Queen. You definitely have to put on the foundation or some white paint if you have it, but I don't think many people actually have white paint in your house. Yes, unless you are doing like those drama, those like performances in drama or plays. Otherwise you don't really will have this white paint, so I think a fairer foundation and primer will do. Okay, let's go on to our eye makeup. Okay, usually before I conceal my dark circles, I will actually put on my eyeshadow off first and only conceal the dark circles at the end. But because for White Queen, right, she actually has this like pinkish and a bit mauve color on the under eye, so I actually wanted to conceal the dark circles before putting on my eyeshadow now. You can use a crayon or any kind of a liquid concealer will do, but I prefer to use crayon one. Something like this. Poppy Brown also have similar crayon. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Natasha Denona's Retro Palette, as well as Chanel's latest eyeshadow palette 02 Tweed Potpourri. This is the one. This is the color that I've got for Chanel 02. And why am I using the Natasha Denona's Retro Palette as well is because there isn't any like near to white shade for the base in front in Chanel's palette. That's why I will need this Retro Palette. And this is like, all these shades is like very near to what the white queen has on her eyes. So I'm going to use these two palettes together. So let's go.
Quick shower won't take time. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Quick shower won't take time. Just see me fly. Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic and we can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Wrap me. I can call you master, you can call me mine. I know that I'm running out of time. I want it all. And I'm wishing they stop trying to turn me off. I want it all. And I'm walking on a wire, trying to go higher. Feels like I'm surrounded by clowns and liars. Even when I give it all away, I want it all. We came here to run, run, run. We came here to run, yeah, run, just like fire, burning up the way. Rocking like the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying.
Okay, so I have already finished the eyeshadow part for White Queen. It is actually a very a bit plum and pinkish color, as you can see. And I'm going to go on with my eyeliner and eyelash. Actually, White Queen, I think Anne Hathaway is actually using her original lash, but for the video purpose, I'm going to put on some lash because I don't think I have like very deep eyes and long lashes like her, so I will still put on the lash and the eyeliner, and I'll come back to show you how I do my eyebrows because she actually has that very black and dark eyebrows. So keep watching my video.
Just one day, watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like fire, burning up the way. Rocking like the world for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one My first night out with you. Treat me right and buy me shoes. Let me be your fantasy. Play with me. I wanna be your girl. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Do my makeup, bathe in my perfume. Quick shower won't take too long. I'll be done, just sing this song. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic. Tell me what to do. If you're happy, I am too. Please just show me what you like. Don't be shy. I wanna be your girl. Just give me some time, I'll be ready. Do my makeup, bathe in my perfume. Quick shower won't take too long. I'll be done, just sing this song. So wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic.
Eye makeup, which is a bit mauvey color and plum and pinkish, especially at the under eye area. You can see there is this pink color. Her actual movie actually has this like larger patch of the pink as standard, but I actually prefer it to be more like under the eye. And the eyebrows is like dark and defined. Yes, it's like much more defined and darker than what I usually draw. Okay, so for the eyeliner, right, her eyeliner is actually short and not extended or have any cat eye effect, because White Queen herself in the movie is actually not of those very daring character. So her eyeliner is definitely more of an innocent eyeliner as compared to her sister, the Red Queen. So okay, I'm going to touch up my final makeup and come back with my lipstick and with the final looks. Okay, in order to complete the makeup, to make it more of a movie effect, I'm going to use this airbrush. Yes, the airbrush to spray on to my entire face. It's like all these are champagnes, so these are the foundations that I use for the air brush. This one I'm using.
Just like fire, burning up the way.
I'll wait for the foundation to set in. You see that there is like this natural glow on the face after we use the airbrush. Hi guys, I have already put on my hair wig for the White Queen as well as some accessories. So now I'm going to finish up the look with the lipstick and also a little bit of contouring, because White Queen is very fair and her makeup actually do not have like very obvious blusher. I would think that it is more of a contouring color, which is like a bit of this color. You can use something like that, which is very subtle. I'll do a little bit of contouring. These two palettes are from Fresh O2 Tea Time Collection. They are both Taiwanese brand. Yes, it is like it is a collaboration with Pony. You know Pony from Korea, the famous beauty blogger. So we use the contouring. Which is this color. This is Red Velvet Cupcake. It is a matte lipstick. And I'm going to mix with Gucci's Goldie Red. And top it up with a bit of Giorgio Armani's 400 lip gloss. I finished with my final looks and including the lips and everything, and from my little tiara. This is of course not exactly what is used by the white queen in the movie, but I've actually found another one which is a bit gold color to match with the necklace everything. So here's my final look. I like have closer look at my eyes. This is actually a very simple eye makeup which is like a bit plum and mauve color and pinkish. Mainly you can see that from the under eye, right? There is this pink color as well. I think in the actual movie, Hathaway actually have it like a bigger patch, but I would actually prefer it this way. And the signature red lips. Actually in real it is slightly darker, but I don't know why when it appears on the screen it's like a bit brighter. Yes. But she actually has two types of lipstick lah in the movie itself. So this is actually Hathaway and Alice Through the Looking Glass movie. Yes, Alice in the Wonderland, but this is like the Alice Through the Looking Glass movie version. So together with my hair and everything. That's all I have for you today, and happy Halloween, and I hope you loved my video today. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed to, and remember to like my video and share with your friends if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Please just show